Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make MILO powder from scratch, or let me not say from scratch but close to scratch. Okay, so guys, let's get right into it.
Cooking made easy, just follow her lead. Aramideskitchen recipe, simple like sunbeams, flavor journeys in every bite, unlocking secrets from one.
The first thing you want to do is to get your blender. You want to blend some granulated sugar into powdered form. I'm going to be listing all the measurements in the description box so you can check it out over there when you want to make yours. Okay, so one thing about this particular homemade MILO powder is the fact that you can regulate the quantity of sugar that goes into your MILO powder. Now after blending the sugar, this is what it should look like. You can use icing sugar as well if you don't want to blend your sugar. Okay, now go in with some cocoa powder, powdered milk, and some milk flavor. As I have said earlier, all the measurements will be in the description box. So you're going to blend this all together for about a minute, just for everything to come together, or you can just stir it all to combine. Now get your baking dish. You're going to pour it into it, and the next thing you want to do is to spread it out and transfer into your oven.
Content sprinkles joy on each plate. In her kitchen, every meal is fate. From spicy stews to sweet delights, Aramideskitchen makes everything right. Food blogger with a masterful flair, every meal crafted with care. Taste the love in every bite.
If you don't have an oven, just pour the mixture into your frying pan and just stir fry it for about 10 to 15 minutes on low heat so that it doesn't burn. Okay, now your MILO powder is ready, whether you use the oven or you use the pan frying method. Now you're just going to let this cool off for about 30 minutes to an hour before transferring into an airtight container, just like you would store your store-bought MILO and all that.
From spicy stews to sweet delights, Aramideskitchen makes everything right. Food blogger with a masterful flair, every meal.
So let me know in the comment section if you're more of a store-bought person or you rather make this at home. I'll be right in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.